Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect Exness to Tradingview and see whether it is possible in the first place. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and now let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm in Tradingview and I already logged into my account. Now, if you take a look at the top of the page, you're going to see different options. And in this case, you want to click onto the option that says brokers. And once you do, it's going to take you to this page. And as you scroll down here, you're going to see the different brokers that are supported by Tradingview. However, unfortunately, Exness won't be here because Exness isn't supported by Tradingview. But there is an alternative solution, which is Exness Terminal. Exness Terminal offers faster, more advanced and customizable trading capabilities with low latency and multi-asset support, similar to Tradingview, but with a more streamlined and user-friendly interface. Another solution is to use paper trading in Tradingview, which offers you virtual funds and helps you to develop your trading strategies. And I believe that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next one.